In this video, all the examples are going to be run through Ultimaker Cura. This is our preferred tool. The most important setting that we changed were temperatures and speed. The current temperature that we decided to change is set to 250 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature that you should use on an Ender 3 is 240 degrees Celsius due to the Teflon covered hot end that is not able to exceed 240 degrees safely. We upgraded our hot end to an all-metal hot end so we can reach hotter than default temperatures. This is a clip of somebody replacing their default hot end with an all-metal hot end. Links in the video will be in the description. The next major setting that we changed was the speed of which our printer extrudes filament. We prefer to print at a slower speed so we get the most accurate prints. We use 12.5 mm for base layer and 25 mm per second for infill. Because our filament is hollow, we used a flow modifier of 140 degrees. If you are having trouble printing, make sure that you are able to print PETG first. It helps to follow the teaching tech website linked in the description. Here he walks you through how to adjust all the settings on the printer. This is all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. We check them frequently.